Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. We're checking out a 1969 Camaro RS SS replacement 396 engine. Been rebuilt about 25,000 miles ago. It's got that TH400 auto trans with a 10-bolt rear end, posi traction, power steering, power brakes, vintage air conditioning. Body's been really straightly done. Let's go take a look at this beauty. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. Got the right stance on it. Paint lays really good. I'd give it a good strong 8.5 out of 10. Just shines great. $396, big block. All your chrome and front valance and lights are in great shape. All your lights are working properly. Your turn signals, your blinkers, like I should say, not turn signal. I'm funny sometimes. Grill is in great shape. Hood's beautiful. Lines up the way it should. Wipers are working. It's great paint, deep. Quarters good. This fender here. All your badging's done right. Doors light up. All your chrome and your glass is good everywhere. Your wipers are working. Sorry if you hear a little wind noise. It's a little windy today. Roof line is good. Your driver's glass and passenger driver's glass are good. All your weather strippings are fresh all the way around. I'll show you the trunk as well. It's done right. I don't see any flaws in the paint. Rear quarter lines up good with the door, the way it should. Little tiny scratch here. Probably could be buffed out. Tires have plenty of meat on them with an American racing wheel. Those are 18-inch. Rear chrome bumpers in great shape. Well, it's a little off. I see a little waving in it. Little tiny little scratches, but nothing major. You'll see. Your badging and your trunk lines up well. Stripes are painted into the car. Cortez silver. Your rear glass is in good shape and the chrome around it as well. Passenger quarter is good. Great reflection. Lines up right. Chrome around the passenger window and glass is in good shape with a sport mirror. Nicely done. Let me get off it and get on an angle a little bit so you can all see. Straight. Houndstooth interior. All your seat belts are intact. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Rear deck with some 6x9s in there. Headliner's got a couple flaws in it. Nothing major, but I see them. And there they are. Just needs to be tucked away a little bit better. Front seats are in great shape. Driver and passenger with the center console. Your door panels, good. No rust to be found anywhere. I've taken over 100 photos. The underneath carriage is super clean. The original welds are there. Inside there, clean, clean, clean. Door sills, just done right. Dash pad's in good shape, no cracks. Your sun visors are intact. Very clean inside. Carpets are great. Air conditioning car, by the way, with vintage air system, aftermarket gauges. Done well. Little cleanup in here it's gonna need. A little freshening up, but nice. Let's check out that trunk. Look how nice it is in here. All your weather stripping just done right. All your gauges are working properly. Speedometer's working. Gas gauge, temp, just the way they should. Radio is an op. But that's simple. Just super cool. Fire this bad boy up. Sounds good. Vintage air, real clean in here. Power front disc brakes, power steering. All your hoses, belts are in good shape. I like the way they did the air conditioning lines and stuff going in. Just clean work. So if you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 625 to a 739, go to my website, 10% down, and fill out the credit app at mgmclassiccars.com. It will say apply now. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. All our loans go as far as 84 months. Sometimes no money down if you're a 740 and above. Usually an approval within about 24 hours or sooner. We've got over 120 vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. All the info's on our website at mgmclassiccars.com. If you need quotes on shipping or have questions on any of the cars, please reach out to me. I can get you quotes on shipping. 773-600-6999. 0919. My name is Earl. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We're located in Addison, Illinois, and we're open from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. Again, you get that appointment by calling me or texting me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook at MGM Classic Cars, Tri-State Auto Wholesalers. Thanks everybody for checking us out. Excuse the wind. You'll see me soon.